Hello dear viewers, welcome to the program Cooking with Chano, starring Antonella Mottinelli and with the special participation of famous culinary artist Estefanía Grimalt. Today they are going to present us their awesome dish that is breaking a lot of records all over the world, fried chicken.
Well, as my partner already said, today we are going to cook braised chicken. For this, we will need the following ingredients: chicken, eggs, grated bread, and some space, plus oil to fry the braised chicken.
To begin with, we'll break an egg in a bowl. Mix it and add the seasonings. Then we grab our chicken thigh and dip it in the egg. Immediately afterwards, we cover the chicken with breadcrumbs and let the breaded chicken breathe for a minute so that everything gels together.
After some time, we put this on oil and frying pan and fry the braised chicken at 180 degrees, 5 minutes each side.
While the dried chicken is cooking, Agustín and Mateo are going to tell us little about the mostly chickens marketed all over the world. So let's go.
Yes, Valentín, it's a worrying situation. In fact, I'm going through a difficult time. Yesterday, my mother died because of this. This bacterium that is inside the chickens is taking many lives. Scientists must do something about it.
In fact, the scientists are already doing something about this situation. They found something really interesting. Thiago Segat, a scientist from the University of Zacachispas in Argentina, said, the SUS virus, that's the way that it's colloquially known, this virus, in the 2 months that it has been known, has killed more victims than the death caused by other diseases in a year.
I would not be sure about that information, but I agree that it's currently a problem that worries a lot of people, and this and other countries.
Well, I think that the dried chicken is not already cooked, so you can keep talking about other things if you want.
No, they only paid me for talking my 50 words, and now I am about 70, so my work has already finished. Nothing like keep talking, or things like that. If this woman couldn't cook a breaded chicken in the time that we have been talking, they are in serious problems.
Well, I don't think that's the way to treat a woman.
He treats the people on the way he likes, so please shut up and cook, will you?
Hey, please calm down. Don't respect our guests like that. Do you think that's the way to treat our guests? We have to treat her better.
Well, the next time, please call someone who knows how to cook at least a breaded chicken.
Don't treat my partner like that.
He treats the people on the way he likes, ¿no entendés?
That's how I feel.
Me too, I lead the studio.
And me! Why the program call it Cooking with Chano if there's no one call it Chano? It's absurd!
Oh, I think that the fried chicken is already done easy.
Yeah, it is. Once the breaded chicken is finished, let it dry on kitchen paper, and when all possible oil has drained, it is ready to eat.
So let's eat. So this is the end of the show. We hope that you have had a good time with us, and we hope to see you again next Thursday and the same time.
See ya.